everyone, welcome back to Dank's Code Tutorials. Today we're going to be we're going to talk about how to create iPhone and iPad ringtones using the Ringtone app found in App Store in iOS devices. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Click on the button subscribe and then go ahead and click on the bell button for all the notifications and all the updates from this very channel, Dank's Code Tutorials. Right away, let's go into how to start. First of all, we're going to start with very simple things. We are going to create a ringtone, iPhone ringtone and iPad ringtone through simple steps. I feel you have to watch to the end for you to be able to know everything that it needs. You may get to know the app but you don't know how to use it, so stay tuned to the end of the video. Now, first of all, you have to get the app, download the app from iTunes, or you download it from your app store. Download the app to your phone. After that, open your app. Then luckily for me, I've already installed the app, so I will not waste your time. I will just open my app from the very iPhone that I'm using. So right now I'm gonna take like 1 minute to connect my iPhone. I want to mirror it. I'm gonna mirror it to my screen, connecting my phone, mirroring my phone to my PC. We're going to go. This is the app I talked about. What I've been telling you about is the Ringtones. The app is called Ringtones. So you will select the app and come to Ringtone Maker. Click on Ringtone Maker. That's the next step. Then go to songs. Now this app automatically generates all the songs that are on your music app, iTunes music app. Of course, now the next step is select the song that you want to make your ringtone. For this tutorial, for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll use Promises as my song. Then of course, you notice there's a lot of things you can select to make tones out of. You can make a text tone, you can make a new voicemail tone, new mail tone, sent mail tone. You name them, they are very there's a number of them down. But for purposes of this very tutorial, we want to make a ringtone. Press done after selecting ringtone. Of course, you can always change from here and again do more. Okay, we can preview, see if the song is already playing in the app. Okay, it is playing right now. We will try to select. You can always choose where you want your selection to be, but I want it always to be from the very I love it to be from the first and this was this song. So I'm gonna use this and click on save. I will cross. Yeah, already the phone has gone directly, is already saved in the app. Right now we will open up the iTunes. Open up the iTunes. Go to file sharing. After going to file sharing, go to Ringtone. Select on Ringtone. It's here already. It's here. So it's saved in the Ringtone app. So it's right here. You can select it. Try to copy it to the desktop. try to open it. If it is working, leave it all, go back to iTunes, sync. After syncing, you go to your On My Device, this very part, On My Device in iTunes. Then go to select the tones, bring this other song that we've made, the ringtone that we've saved on the desktop, bring it into the tones, and it's right here on the top. It's promises, it's called promises. So you can sync again. After syncing, you said done, and we go back to our phone. Come here to settings on your iPhone, go to your settings, go to sounds, open iTunes, open the sound where the ringtones are, and select the ringtone. That's the ringtone that you've selected already. So you can try to increase the volume of the ringtone. Yeah, that's it. And save. That's how we can make ringtones in this very app using the app called Ringtones on your iPhone or on your iPad. So feel free to subscribe and ask questions where you not understood, and I'll respond to your comments. I'll find a way to help you out. And of course, don't forget to like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to click on the bell button to always receive notifications from this very channel. Thanks again, thanks for watching. I sign off from here.